Why some people don't encourage you to sell real estate. I'm making this video because I want to encourage you to get into real estate. You might have parents that think college is the only way to be successful, or you might be in school right now and you absolutely have no idea or no interest in biology, history, learning algebra, and understanding how that's going to help you pay bills in the future. I want you to know that real estate is more of a mental thing than anything. You are going to have a ton of people in this business that tell you not to pursue it. You're going to have out-of-touch real estate agents who do not know how to adapt to the new way of doing business and who don't really care about helping you. So you just have to keep going in real estate. This video is about giving back to you the same way someone gave to me, and that's it. First reason why is it is completely inconsistent. And even for someone like myself who has been in about 6 years, I have some months that I make a killing up towards $70,000 a month, and I have other months where I don't make $1. Sometimes it's more than a month that I don't make a single dollar. So imagine how frustrating that is, from deals falling through to low inventory or some listings that are not selling for a number of reasons that are out of your control. Now, I'll be working 6 days a week, 8 to 12 hours a day for 2 to 3 months, not earning a penny. I'm grinding it out, I'm giving it everything I can, and I'm not learning anything. It's just the business, and that's what you sign up for. I also have other months where I can make $30, $40, even $70,000 in a month for 4 months in a row, and that's just out of this world. And those months make up for all the other months that you don't earn anything. And that's just completely inconsistent. So you really have to make sure you get in really good at budgeting appropriately for those cold months when everything seems to be going. Make sure you understand that before getting into real estate. It's the most logical of reasons, and it's that great advice that I have always held on to. Budgeting and making sure you pretty much save for the winter time. And it could be one reason why people encourage you not to be a real estate agent. Number 2, bad agents. Among only getting paid on commission and not having a steady paycheck to fall back on, real estate is one of the most competitive industries. With the age of video and social media, a lot of your mom's friends from the country club who were able to rack up hundreds of thousands of dollars per year just by opening doors because they knew someone is pretty much out the window. Agents feel a ton of pressure and are being pushed out by people of all ages who have adopted the new age of real estate. So you want to make sure that you are with a brokerage that is going to give you the tools and processes to make yourself successful in real estate. Number 3, brokerages aren't helpful. There are a ton of brokerages out there that will try to sell you. I'm sure there are more than a few good brokerages out there, and especially some good local agencies in your town that might have great energy to bring and train on new agents, but the one that takes the cake on the educational standpoint on bringing in new real estate agents and training them is Keller Williams. They will train you, they will support you, and if you go to the office every day, there's a 50% chance some vendor is paying for lunch, so they'll also feed you. A little breakdown of what Keller model is, it's $150 a month, the split 70-30, and you split until you pay them about $17,000. Once you cap, you get 100% of your money. So if you cap in the first few months, you get to keep 100% for the rest of the time. Like I said, they'll give you tools and office and resources, and you can be around some really great agents that can help you get to the next level. Honestly, this is not a sales pitch for Keller. This is to help you find the right brokerage. If you are thinking of getting into real estate, I'd be happy to talk you through it because I'd rather talk and help someone than sit here and think this message is falling on deaf ears.
Absolutely. I need everyone in here to lock in. KG, look at KG. Remember this, if you want to go quickly, do it alone. But if you want to go far, you do it together.
If you don't want to talk, then I would go to the brokerage that gives you the most training and an office with a great energy. Number 4, Sales reputation. A lot of misconception is that all the real estate agents are too salesy. They are trying to sell you something or manipulate you to do something that you wouldn't ordinarily do. And yes, it's true. I know some straight dirtbags in this business, people that I hate to see on the other side of a deal.
Why are you smiling, dirtbag?
But there are more people in real estate trying to give you value than there are people that are, people that I would rather not even see or even talk to for 20, 30, 40 days, which is the typical time a deal takes to close. So this is one of the other reasons why people might encourage you not to get into real estate. 5, jealousy. One of the most unattractive parts of this business are agents that are so stuck in their ways they won't help you. They won't let you do open houses, even though open houses that sit on the market for months and they've only done 2 open houses. They have 0 video for $1 million listings, and the marketing they do, my 5-year-old niece could do with a crayon. These are agents that think if you do anything for them, you're going to make them look bad. And even though time and time again, all it takes is that one agent to be at that one open house for that right buyer to walk through a door and make an instant connection with that agent, and that buyer puts an offer on that house. That's how real estate works, and agents know that. They shut the door on agents all the time. How I combat these people? Well, I kill them, of course. No, I'm kidding. That would be against the law. I get better, learn more that can help buyers. I show my sellers how to get more for their house by painting or pressure washing or sprucing up the yard and staging their house. I'm not immune to other agents being jerks, and being competitive is good nature. I just learned how to make me better and how to make the real estate business better as well by providing true value to everyone. Rather than be more like them, choose to be different. In the end of the day, there are more than enough houses to sell out here for everyone, and all publicity and marketing is good marketing. This might be another reason why someone might encourage you not to get into real estate. Number 6, people are trying to look out for you. Look, real estate can be an incredible job. If you are good with people and honest and have confidence, willing to learn, and have the smallest bit of creativity to build on, you can make an incredible future selling real estate. And you can make a great income for you and your family. Real estate is a job that you get better at each day, because if you are active, you're putting yourself out there, and you're one of the greatest, and one of my greatest quotes is, pressure makes diamonds. There is a huge dark side to real estate. If you don't have any of these characteristics and you get in because you see HGTV or selling Manhattan and you think it's just going to happen for you overnight, then people who think like this are really going to have a hard time. And people that tell you not to get into real estate are maybe trying to protect you from feeling stressed or hurt or whatever. They want to see the best for you, and they want to shield you from risking your time on something that might not pan out, especially something that doesn't give you a steady paycheck. Working in an industry that is so competitive might bring you down, or working in an industry that has a bad reputation. They probably don't want you around other agents who are shady or untrustworthy people. If these are your parents or someone that truly cares about you, once you sit them down, whoever it is, they should be able to see how serious you are about becoming a real estate agent.
Hey, champ, you ought to come look at this boy you're going to fight on TV. Looks like he means business.
Yeah, I mean business too.
And if I was you, I would come up with the plan, because most agents like myself get in this business and they have no idea where to start. They have no idea that open houses are the best chance to find buyers, or sending monthly market reports to your neighbors either by mail or by handout is a great way to get listings. They have no idea about anything, and if you are watching this video and you are one of those people, reach out to me. I swear, call me and I will point you in the right direction. Seriously, I dare you to call me. I can't thank you guys enough for liking and subscribing to my videos. I can't begin to tell you how much getting a like or a new subscriber helps and encourages me to make more videos like this. I really can't begin to tell you. Like just today, I got a new subscriber and I was going through something terrible, like freaky news, and I mean some really crappy news that really shook my whole life, and just being able to get my mind off things for a little bit and make these videos and connect with people just like you makes the world of difference. I know it might sound crazy, but I meet people on YouTube who call me to find properties all the time. After moving here from all over the world and people reaching out to me, it's just an incredible outlet for me, and I can't thank you guys enough. So if you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment on anything, and add me on Instagram. I post a lot on there daily about my daily life in the Tampa Bay. I'm based here in St. Petersburg, Florida, but it's a tri-county, really, the Tampa Bay is. It's Pinellas, Hillsborough, and Manatee County. You might see my dog on there, my wife on there. We go to the beach a lot. I'm just a normal guy, really trying to be someone important in the community of St. Petersburg, Florida. If you're a business owner or a real estate agent looking to relocate here or have some referral business that you want to send my way or want to get on the phone and just chop it up and make sure we're a good fit, I send referrals out all the time on people that have YouTube channels, because I want to support people who have YouTube channels and who are going through the same journey that I'm going through on YouTube. So thank you guys so much again, and I'll catch you on the next video.